Smacko Heap 1. Operation and Troubleshooting. Step 1. Connect the medium pressure hose to the air pump. Step 2. Attach the other end to the air filler. Step 3. Select the appropriate operating voltage. Step 4. Plug in the power cord. Step 5. Set the pressure gauge limit value. Step 6. Close the relief valve. Step 7. Select the startup mode. Step 8. Press the green switch button. If the electric pump starts but cannot inflate, or if it cannot reach the set pressure, you need to prepare some soapy water for troubleshooting. Use soapy water to test the following parts. If the oil-water separator is leaking, check if the connection is secure or replace the component. If the high-pressure hose is leaking, ensure the interface is fully sealed. Remove the gasket and replace it with a new one. If the pressure relief valve is leaking, remove the relief valve screw and replace the internal relief valve gasket. If the relief valve and relief tube are leaking, tighten the relief valve nut. If no external issues are found, open the air pump casing and tighten all nuts, including those on the pressure chamber inlet/outlet and pressure gauge. If the air pump still does not reach the set standard, disconnect the fan power cable. Unscrew and remove the fan. Remove the top nut on the pressure chamber. Take out the inner core of the pressure chamber. Disassemble the gaskets from the inner core. Smooth the gaskets with 1000 cc sandpaper. Reassemble them into the inner core. Wet a cotton swab with industrial alcohol. Clean the threads of the pressure chamber with the cotton swab. After cleaning, reassemble the inner core and nut.